The Peacock and the Rain Dance. In a lush forest, there lived a beautiful peacock named Raja. His feathers were a brilliant mix of blues, greens, and golds, and he loved to show them off whenever he danced. But Raja had a special secret: he only danced when it rained. One warm evening, as the air grew heavy with the scent of rain, Raja felt a familiar excitement build inside him. He knew that the rain was coming, and with it, his favorite time to dance. He wandered to the center of the forest, where all the animals gathered when it rained. Suddenly, the sky darkened, and the first drops of rain fell gently onto the leaves. Raja's eyes lit up, and as the rain began to pour, he spread his magnificent tail feathers wide. With each drop that fell, he twirled and spun, his feathers catching the light and sparkling like 1,000 tiny jewels. The animals watched in awe as Raja danced gracefully in the rain, his joy filling the entire forest. The squirrels clapped their tiny paws, the birds chirped along to the rhythm, and even the shy deer couldn't help but join in, hopping around in delight. The rain seemed to dance with him, creating a magical symphony of sounds as it hit the leaves and puddles. As the rain slowed and the clouds drifted away, Raja's dance came to a gentle stop. The forest was quiet again, but the animals were still smiling, their hearts warmed by Raja's joyful performance. Raja looked up at the sky, knowing that the next time the clouds gathered, he would be ready for another dance. With his feathers shimmering in the setting sun, he returned to his nest, feeling peaceful and content. That night, Raja dreamt of rain and the endless dances that would come, knowing that every drop was a reason to celebrate. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.